Welcome to a Starlight the Clown balloon tutorial. This is something really special and easy that never fails to impress. Go ahead and stretch and inflate 3 balloons of 3 different colors, any colors you choose. Take 2 of them and tie their nozzles together. You might have to tie it twice to make sure it stays. Oh, if it breaks, don't worry about it. As long as the knot stays. Alright, now, go this way. We're going to wrap one around the other, gently using our hand as a line. Just twist them both as we go. Make sure they both kind of bend a little at each point. Alright. Bring it down until there's almost none left. Twist them around each other. And we've got something that looks like this. Now, we're going to go to our head. Wrap this one around. Just like that. Once we know how big we want it, we just loop it. Just like any other head band. Except this one goes here. Oh, oh. Maybe you don't like unicorn horns. Maybe you don't like unicorns at all. Maybe you want your unicorn horn to be a magical scepter instead. So we'll start here. Go ahead and pinch them around each other. Form a loop. Form another loop. Look, we'll cut to the chase here. It's going to be 4 loops. Once you've got something like this, you're going to want to reach for something else. Oh. Don't go anywhere now. Oh. Oh. Here we go. Oh. As simple as you can imagine, we just tie it out right on to the 4 loops.